Care for your beard. American Crew 2-in-1 Moisturizer and Beard Conditioner is a lightweight product that helps men's beards look soft and conditioned, while also moisturizing the skin beneath. Beard maintenance. Keeping a healthy beard and soft skin are two things that this product can help achieve with regular use. Key benefit. Our formula will leave your beard feeling soft without leaving any white residue on your beard or skin. How to use. Great for men with shorter beards. Just apply to skin and beard as needed. WHOER. American Crew is a leader in men's grooming for hair, body, shave, style, fragrance categories with products that make great Father's Day gifts. American Crew's ongoing commitment is to elevate men's style and enhance their personal image. Aqua, water, O, cyclopentasiloxane, butylene glycol, polyacrylamide, panthenol, C1215 alkyl benzoate, C1314 isoparaffin, citric acid, cocodamonium hydroxypropyl hydrolyzed keratin, dimethaconal, ethylhexylglycerin, hydroxypropyl guar hydroxypropyltrimonium chloride, laureth 7, OLETH5, tocopherol acetate, triethanolamine, parfum, fragrance, benzyl salicylate, citronellol, eugenol, hydroxycitronellol, limonene, linalool. Top reviews from the United States. Nice lotion for beard itch. Although I do not pick up any scent on this lotion, I have to say it is nice and does the job of what it says it will do, and that is temper beard itch for someone looking to grow out their facial hair.